welcome once again to the continuation on the linear equation that I started with you in the first video. In the first video, I started teaching you about linear equation, and I've done a detailed explanation on what linear equation is, and also we've solved some examples on it as well, and I hope you understood it and you enjoyed the lesson as well. So this is a continuation to solve another example with you so that you get a better understanding of it. So I will advise that you watch the first video, okay, because in the first video I've done much explanation on what linear equation is, okay. Everything that you are supposed to know about linear equation, I've done that explanation in the first video, and also we've solved some examples on it as well. So I will advise that you watch the first video to get the foundation and the understanding to be able to handle this session as well, because this is just a continuation where we are solving another example for us to get a better understanding of it, okay. So it means that the first video lays the foundation, okay. So watch it to get the foundation to be able to handle this session as well. And don't forget, after watching the videos, please like the video and also share the video as well. Let's go ahead and handle the example 2 that I have on the board, okay. It means in the first video we've done example 1, okay, which you have to watch to get the foundation to be able to handle this session as well. Let's go ahead and solve the question that I have on the board, okay. It says that example 2, solve the equation, okay. So A, I have s minus 3 equals minus 2, okay. So we are solving for s in this equation, okay. So let me write my solution, okay, and let's do it together. So I have s minus 3 equals minus 2. So we are solving for s, okay, and solving for s simply means that make s stand alone in the equation, okay. So it means that anything that is attached to s, we will move it away, okay. That's the simplest way to understand it. When you are asked to solve for a particular variable in an equation, it means make it that variable stand alone, okay. So everything that is attached to the variable, we move it away, okay. So solving for the value of s here, okay. So first, what we do is that we can see that minus 3 is attached to the s, so it means that we have to move it away, okay. So now this minus 3, how to move it away is that to cross the equal sign, come and join the minus 2, which is here, okay. It's like you are grouping like terms, okay. So repeat your s, which is here, okay. And I've explained that when anything crosses the equal sign, the sign changes, okay. So if it is positive and it crosses the equal sign, it changes to be negative, and if it is negative and it crosses the equal sign, it changes to be positive, okay. So this is negative 3 crossing the equal sign to come and join this minus 2. So when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive 3, okay. So repeat your s, which is here, bring your equal sign, then write your minus 2, which is there. Now this minus 3 is coming to join it. It is negative, so when it crosses the equal sign, come here, become positive 3, okay. Please hope the understanding is clear enough. So bring your s, which is here, repeat your s, equal to minus 2 plus 3. We can simplify that, okay. So minus 2 plus 3 will give me positive 1, okay. Please hope the understanding is clear, and this I've explained it, okay, in details in the algebraic expression, okay. So consider this minus 2 as the money you are owing, okay, and consider this positive 3 as the money you are having, okay. So anytime you are owing, you need to pay back. So I'm owing to, I have money of 3, so when I pay back, I'll be left with 1 which belongs to me, so that's why it's positive 1, okay. So minus 2 plus 3 is positive 1, so our s is equal to 1, okay. So that's our answer. So it means 1 is the value of s, so okay, so s is equal to what? 1, okay. So 1 satisfies the equation, so it means that when we put 1 here, it will give us negative 2, okay. And so you can try that one to see. Now let's go ahead and tackle the b, okay. So I have 3s plus 5 equals to 26. We have to solve for s in the equation. So let me write my solution and let's do it together. So I have 3s plus 5 equals to 26. So I'm solving for s. Solving for s means that you should make s stand alone, okay, in that equation. That's the simplest way to understand it, okay. So it means whatever that is attached to s in the equation will move it away. Okay, so the first thing to move away from this s is to move the positive 5 away. That's the first thing to move away. It's like you are grouping like terms. Okay, so this positive 5 will come and join the 26 that is there. Okay, so write your 3s here, okay, equals to your 26 is there. Now this is positive 5. When it crosses the equal sign and goes to join the 26, it will become minus 5, okay, because it's positive. When anything crosses the equal sign, the sign changes. So positive 5 crossing the equal sign to this place, it will become minus 5, okay. So now repeat your 3s, which is the equals to, now 26 minus 5, you can simplify it, okay, and that will give you 21. Okay, so now I have 3s equals to 21. Now how do we solve for s, or how do we get s? Okay, now we divide through by the coefficient of s, okay, which is the 3, because this 3 and the s, they are multiplying. Okay, now you cannot say that you want to make this 3 cross the equal sign, come and join the 21. No, you cannot do that, because what is happening here is that the 3 and the s, they are multiplying, and in this case, how to get the s stand alone is to divide through by the coefficient of s, and the coefficient of s is 3. So you divide here by 3 and divide here also by 3. That's how you go about it, so that this 3 and this 3 can cancel away. Then 3 goes here 1, 3 goes into this 21 7 times. Okay, so you have your s equals to 7 over 1, and 7 over 1 is 7. Okay, so you have your s equals to 7. Okay, so that's how you go about it. Hope you understand it, and please don't forget, like the video and also share the video. See you again in another video whilst we solve more examples. Bye bye.